So in this video, we'll be taking a quick look at the parts that come with the Dyson V11 Animal Plus. This is the Costco model. It's the same thing as the Dyson V11 sold at any other retailer. So the V11 is newer and larger than Dyson's other cordless vacuums, but the packaging is essentially the same. You get a warranty card. So next up we have the combination tool and the crevice tool. The combination tool combines a wide brush and a wide nozzle. And the crevice tool is a long plastic piece that's good for cleaning in cars and in the cracks of couches and stuff like that. All the parts found in the V11 are cross-compatible with the V7. This is the extension tube. You'll use this when you're standing and walking with your Dyson V11. It's not mandatory, as every of the tools that's included can plug directly into the V7's bin, but you'll be using this one most of the time. The part comes wrapped in tissue paper so it doesn't get scratched en route. So next up we have the mattress tool. This one's used for cleaning mattresses and other allergen-prone items. It's part of the special allergy kit if you do upgrade with that, but it comes with this Plus model. Here comes the Dyson V11 itself. If you haven't seen it before, you'll note that it's much larger than the previous models. It's larger than the V10, and then obviously a good deal larger than the V7 and V8 and some of the older ones, or the DC59, depending on how far back you go. On the back, you'll note the LCD screen and the updated HEPA filter. But we'll get more into those in subsequent videos. So these large items are the quick release wall mounts. So you could plug the vacuum into the wall, essentially hanging it from the wall while it charges. It's very useful, one of the nicer features of a stick style or cordless vacuum. So the next tool we'll find in the Dyson V11 is the extension hose. And this is just a piece that plugs into the bin but then can extend out in a sort of spring-like action. It could also extend from the wand if that's easier for you. And it just gives you some flexibility and extra length. So next we'll see another of the big upgrades in the Dyson V11. And that's this, the high torque cleaning head. This is the new main component of the V11. And it's essentially the standard cleaning head, not the tennis ball fuzzy style cleaning head you might have seen with some of the newer V7s. But the new high torque cleaning head has a sensor inside, and the sensor takes advantage of the V11's ability to use dynamic or adaptive power settings. So the sensor can sense how much power you need. The next component is known as the stubborn dirt brush. It's probably one of the less understood components, but it's sort of a brush you could use to pick up and remove or loosen dirt. In this small box here, we have the power charger, and this could be plugged directly into the V11 or it could be plugged into the wall mount, which then extends into the V11. And then this box here is known as the up top adapter. And what it is, it's a plastic component that can turn up and down and it will stay in the position you put it in. It's useful for getting a piece or a tool and leaving it in a certain angle. Last, we have the mini motorized head. And this is just a smaller version of the main cleaning head. This one doesn't have the sensor, but it is powered, so it's a very effective cleaning tool. And here we have all the parts included with the V11 Animal Plus. Check back for the full review and more videos.